What's going on, guys? It's Alan here again, and today I'll be breaking down a signal that I sent out in my group, and this is a trade that I like to take as well. Many of you already know. You guys haven't seen it. I'll show you guys right now. So this is also one of the trade setups that ICT teaches, or he taught in his new video. So you guys haven't checked out that video yet, I need you guys to go check it out like ASAP. I'm telling you, man, this man gives out gems. All right. So obviously, trade is taken in New York, right? New day, set that up. Boom, new day shows a lot of bearishness, right, in the market already. So there wasn't really an entry for me to get back in. But like I said, right here in New York, price comes down, drops an order block here, right? As you can see, creates a fair value gap and then breaks down, right? As soon as price tries to come back here, comes lower, and then finally, when it takes out this high here, it fills in this gap perfectly. This was the trade I sent out, and this is the trade that I took. Super, super solid trade right here. Stop loss at 830 is where I sent it out. Let's see. 830, bang, right there. Perfect stop loss, just above the stop, just above this order block right here, because I did not want to see this order block taken out. And all I was really targeting was this low right here. Okay. So as soon as price came lower, right, filled this gap in and went into this bullish order block here, I already took about 70% off, about 7.2 right here, 7.20, and just let the rest run. Came down, TP was hit. Perfect one, like 1.2% today. Very, very solid trade. But yeah, I hope a lot of my students caught this as well, because I did send this out. I know it was in New York. So that's, that's always a time I trade in. I told my students, right, like, yo, I trade London and New York. Hope you guys caught this trade. But yeah, this is a little breakdown of a trade I had. And if you guys want to use the fib as well, like I said, I personally don't use the fib, but you guys can, right? So as you can see, goes about OTE right here, right smack in OTE, fills the gap, breaks down lower, targets this low here. All right, super, super solid trade. And I think there's another trade that could have taken, which is like this one right here for a long position. So let's just say you didn't want to take a buy anymore. You saw that, liquidity was taken out here lower already. So let me show you guys. Let's go to 1 hour, right? As you can see, liquidity resting on the sides here. So let me just draw a line for you guys here. Bang. All right, you see the equal lows right there now? Just note that there are equal lows there, right? Price comes lower, taps it, doesn't really purge it. So I'm still looking for this price to come lower and take this out, okay? I'm still looking for it to come lower and take this out. You can quote me on that. So I do want EU and GU to break down lower tomorrow for FOMC. But yeah, this was the trade I took today. Very, very solid trade setup. I really like these trade setups, like I said. Very simple, right? Fair value gap, order block resting above it in kill zone, right? Or in New York or London. Price comes back in here, bang, bang. TPs is out. Very simple trade setup that I personally like, and ICT teaches it right now as well. So that should wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, if you guys have not started watching ICT's mentorship, go over to his channel, start watching it, because that's my mentor, my one and only mentor. I learned everything from him. He's a real deal, right? I know I'm like, kissing his ass a little bit, but hey, man, he's the one that changed my life. So hopefully he can do the same for you guys. All right, take care, good luck, and good trading.